Hello guys, in this little video I will show you how to add your own categories of assets into the asset library of Speedsculpt. This is the same for Proflow, so you will see this is pretty simple. To do this, go inside the Blender preferences, Speedsculpt or Proflow preferences, and check the asset library settings. Into the asset library settings, you will have the library path. You will have a button to add a new category, just like that will create a new category. And next to this button, you will have this one, and this one will explain you how to do this. So, if you have the asset management, this is pretty simple. The library is already created. You just have to enter inside a category and click Enter to validate, and you will have your category here. If you don't have the asset management, you will have this here. You have to create a hierarchy, the same as the asset management, and add your blend and your thumbnail inside. Okay? So, just to show you, I created in my desktop a little library, my lib. Inside this lib, I created 3 categories. My cat 1, my cat 2, and Sculpt. Inside each categories, I created 2 directories, files and icons. This is the same hierarchy as the asset management, so like that will be simple. Inside files, you will add the blends of your objects. Inside icons, you will add the thumbnails of your blends. You need to use the same name for the blend and for the thumbnails. And as you can see, I have JPEG here and PNG here, so both will work. So like I said, a library, directory, inside 3 categories, and inside each categories, files, icon with the blends and the thumbnails. Okay? So let's come back to Blender. I created my new category here. Now I just have to enter and go select it. So, my lib, I will go inside my category, Sculpt, I will see files and icon, and I will click on accept. And if I check here, bam, I will have my new category with all my assets. As you can see, this is pretty simple. To add a new one, click on add new category. Do the same, go to the desktop, select my cat 2, accept, and you will see my cat 2 here. Let's add the last one, so desktop, clack, my cat 1, accept. And as you can see, I have all my categories, like that. Okay? If you want to remove one or 2, you will just have to click on this minus button, and I will just come back to this one. Save, select the asset you want to import, and click on import. And this is as simple as that.